Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time watching me, hey, I'm Lisa. Thank you so much for tuning back in. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you a quick house tour. Okay, so it's not a house tour, it's just like my living room tour. My house is not fully furnished yet. I have a few things that I need to add or some things that I need to take away, because you know what, I figured decorating a house, it's a never-ending process. I've gotten a few requests, you guys always asking me where I get that from, my couch, my table, my books, and all of that good stuff. So I thought, you know what, I would just make a video telling you guys where I got, you know, the majority of my things from. Anything that I can still find online, I will link it down below. Please don't mind all that, it's just some furniture that we still need to put together. Anyway, so we have our fireplace here. So this mirror right here is from Gallerie. This flower right here is not supposed to be there. It's for my bathroom upstairs, but I want to put flowers on each end, on this end and that end over there, and put like a little biblical word in the middle there, which I'm still looking for those. So moving on, for our windows, we still need some type of curtains, but I cannot find the curtains that I really want. I want them to be very long to reach the floor, almost sweeping the floor, but I just can't find the color and the texture that I want. And this fake plant here is from IKEA. We got it about almost 4 years ago now. It's been a while. I need another style of plant, and so yeah. So over here I have these little frames here that I got from IKEA. It's like a wall gallery frames, you know, you can build or create like a wall gallery, and it was on sale from IKEA, which is pretty cool. Here we have this shelf here that I also got from IKEA, and I need to fill this up really quickly. I just need a few books and some type of like plant. I wanted some plant that would like fall over here, like, you know, those green leaves or plants, I think it's like plant, that would just like fall on each end, like on this side and then a little bit on that side. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly run through everything that I got over here. I got these two from IKEA, and the plants inside are from wish.com. And then this Chanel book is from Amazon, and this time thingy majiggy is also from IKEA. Down here, these full plants are from Wish. This vase here is from Walmart, and then this little mint thingy there is from IKEA as well. Down here we have these two book holders. I think they're called book holders, I'm not sure. That's from Target. And then moving on over here, we have this little side table here that's from Target. We got it like 4 years ago now. And then this vase here is from Gallerie. These fake plants are from a dollar store, I think Dollar General or Dollar Tree, one of those. So over here we got these wall decors that we got from Wayfair. It just came in a set of 3. This was one of the hardest things to find, because we had been looking for some wall prints for the longest. We couldn't find anything that was, you know, matching the theme that we're going for. So the black, the whites, the gray, and a little bit of gold, we really fell in love with this. The only downside about this thing is that it's not big. It's not as big as we would have wanted it to be. Here we have this floor lamp here. I love this floor lamp. The only thing that I hate about it is the fact that it's so short. I did not realize it was gonna be this short, because it was on the shelves. It was really tall on the shelves, and so when they brought it out, I was just thinking, yeah, it's still gonna be that tall, but it's not tall at all. It's not even up to 5 feet. It's literally 4 feet or under. But the design is really what I love. I absolutely love the design. The fact that it's like matte black, it's very strong, but the only issue that I have with this one is that it's too short. And so moving on over here, we have this mirror here, but it's not gonna be here for a long time. I don't know what to do with this wall here just yet. I was thinking about doing a wall gallery, but I already have a wall gallery on the other side, and so I don't want it to be too many, you know, galleries or pictures and stuff like that. And so I will see what I want to do, but I will most likely still put a mirror over here, but it would be like those big long mirrors or something. I don't know, I'll figure something out. And then I still need to put like a little side table on this side. Moving on over here, we have these two bar stools that we got from Wayfair as well. I just love that, you know, they're gray, and the little handle over here, I love it. But the only issue that I have with it is that when you go like this, and the kids do that a lot, you see, like it's swayed, and so when you do that, it's just annoying. Like, it's really annoying. Moving on this side here, we have these two couches that are also from Wayfair. Next up, we have our coffee table here, and this coffee table is from Amazon. And then I'm gonna quickly run through the books and everything that we have on top of the coffee table. Now let me remove that. Alright, so over here we have this Tom Ford book, which is very popular. I really just loved it because it has the black and white, of course, which is like the primary theme of our home. And then over here we have this, The Element of Style. This is An Adventurous Life. This one is from TJ Maxx. Yeah, TJ Maxx Homes, or no, is it TJ Maxx Home Goods. You know, Home Goods and TJ Maxx are together, and so yeah, it's from Home Goods. I just loved the different color scheme, the browns, the whites, and the blacks, and a little bit of color over there with the flowers. Very, very beautiful. And then here we had to have some type of tray, of course. This tray is from Wayfair as well. And then we have a book here, which is just Men and Style. That is also from Home Goods, and I just love the fact that it was white. And then this little bouquet of flower here is from Overstock from years ago. I was actually looking at it and I wanted to put some type of like greens on this side here, green flowers. I don't know yet. Let me know what you think. We have a little wall gallery going on. Again, I had to have those black and white frames, and it's just pictures of my daughters. That's Allison, that's Zoe, and that's Zoe and Allison on Zoe's second birthday. And then in both of the pictures, Zoe was 6 months and Allison was also 6 months over there. So I might add like 2 more, I don't know, but my interior designer professional said that it might be too much. So I may not. I may just leave it like this. This TV stand here is from IKEA. I really wanted a long TV stand, like a long one that would start like over here and cover, you know, that one up there, and then goes all the way to where the speakers are, all the way, because I wanted a long one, but we searched everywhere, we couldn't find one, so we just settled for this IKEA one instead, which is not bad. You know, it's pretty nice. Okay, everything is actually from Target. The vase and the 2 leaves are from Target, and I still need to add like a couple of things, or maybe not. I don't know. What do you guys think? I might still, you know, need a few things here and there. I wanted to add the same one on this side, but I figured it would be too much. Again, my interior design professional she said no, she liked it like this. And so I have these 2 little, I don't know, they're candle holders. Yes, I was gonna say I don't know what they are, but they are candle holders. They were on sale at Target, and you know, I had to grab them. You guys, I literally grabbed them. I didn't know where I was gonna put them at, but I just grabbed them literally. But yeah, I really loved the style, the fact that it's kind of like a fake wood kind of thing with the glass. And so yeah, they came in, you know, the set. Well, they didn't come in sets of 2. They're like different price each, but it was like a tall one and a small one. And then we have this and then we have this fake flower here, which is from Wish. And I don't know, this is not supposed to be there. I don't know where I'm gonna put this just yet. I don't have a vase for it, so I just threw it inside there. And then of course we have our TV. And then moving on over here, we have this thing here. Now everyone that comes to my house, they always ask me if it's a Dreamcatcher or something. I don't know what other people call it, but I don't know what it is. What is this supposed to be? Please let me know down below, what is this supposed to be? Hopefully it's not something bad. I actually just went to Target. I saw it there and I fell in love with the color scheme and everything. I was like, yeah, this will bring some type of color into our home, because you know, everything is like black and white and grays, and this is not quite gray. It's like a gray, but like a lighter gray teal type of color, and I felt like, you know, it will bring so much more color, and of course the gold and everything like that. And I thought, you know, it was cute, but I don't know, Everybody says like it's something. Let me know down below what you think it really is. So what I'm missing on the couch is like pillows. I cannot find a pillow that I'm like, oh, I love this. This will look super good on my couch. I haven't found that pillow. I went ahead and picked these up from, I think they're from Target. Yeah, they're from Target. It was just white pillows. But I don't know, I feel like I need more pillows, but probably like one or two, no, maybe two more for that side. But you know, something that would just like complement the place without making it look too crowded. Alright you guys, so this concludes my house tour or living room tour. Hopefully you guys were able to get some insights on where I got some things from, and if you are interested in any of these things, they will be listed in the info section down below. I told you guys I was coming back to back with videos, okay? I hope you are ready for me, because I'm ready for this YouTube, best believe.